spec. I think
beast, isn't it?
this is probably the best GT8 I've seen.
Yeah, it's lovely. It's lovely spec, isn't it?
It's a great spec, yeah. I don't think I've ever seen. What's the colour name?
Lightning Silver.
Lightning Silver. I don't think I've seen one like this before.
There's one out there in Skyfall.
Which is that like a more bluey?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is kind of
like
the white kind of. I just think it's just
much better silver for sure. It's like a proper silver, like a true silver. Is it quite? Do you know how many were made in this colour?
I don't know, a handful. I don't know how many.
And what's the mileage?
Just ticked over 7,000 now.
7,000. Right. Always getting cars like this and tap my feet because I always feel bad getting even the speckiest of dusts. Right. Let's start this up and move it. Should start up.
6.5 hours later.
Okay, I don't know how to start this. I thought I knew how to start them. I thought you had to put it all the way in. Am I being stupid? Oh, it's probably the door. What on earth? Why do I not know how to stop the fucking start the thing? I don't understand. I've started a few Astons recently. It's the same thing. You have to press the key all the way in with the brake on. The brake's on. Oh, it's a clutch because it's a fucking manual. Oh my god. I'm retarded. I forgot it was a manual. E-brake off. We got to see what this looks like. That is just cash. So setting the settings up. So because this is a collecting cars shoot, it's a for sale advert for cars. You can't go too crazy on creativity. You got to be somewhat realistic. So I will get some, more sort of creative shots in there. But for the start, I'm just going to try and tick off my list in terms of what I need in terms of sort of the normal shots. That makes sense. So a nice front 3/4 shot, different heights, different angles. Those. So I'm pretty much going to be shooting the whole day at about f4 because it gives you a nice creamy depth of field, but also gets enough of the car in focus as well. And delivery drivers here. Nice. Problem with black wheels on an overcast day, they're being hidden quite a bit. Be okay though. Ciao. Anyway, back to GTA. God, it's just cash. It's properly cash. So I'm going to do this side now. It's quite a high biting point on these. Like compared to this guy had a 997 GT3 RS a couple of months ago, and that was a very sharp, short bite point. This is literally the opposite. Well, it's sharp, but it's just quite high. I wasn't really expecting that from a car as hardcore as this. This door's cash. That looks unreal. I'm not sure about the rear left here. I think it looks a bit funny, especially from the up high angle. I might have to remember to do that later. Wing looks cool though. Huge wing, huge wang. The whole thing is like carbon. It's crazy. I think the light could be a bit funny here, but all wrong with it. Like door handles. It's not all about beauty shots, it's just about capturing the car in its like truest form. No super wide angles, no stupid edits. Just simple, straightforward stuff to give the most realistic view to the buyer, which I wish was me. Light from here, not great. Probably going to do the rear over there, but I may as well just swing it around the other side. Can also do some good front on shots here as well. The throttle pedal feels really like a bit flat for some reason. It's really hard to detect if your foot's on the throttle. Weird. See what that looks like. The sun's really trying to pierce through. I really hope it doesn't. Although it's providing some nice light for me here actually. I always find with side angles it's best just to stand really far away and zoom in about like 60-70mm. You can really capture the profile then. Like anything sort of 35mm or under distorts it quite easily and just makes the car look odd. I feel like I'm still warming up as well. That's the thing, like you want to be as quick as you can with like any job you do to make the most of the money that you earn. But like with photography, like everyone always has that sort of like warming up period, and I feel like I'm in that right now. I can barely even see the black wheels on the camera. I'm sure it'll be different once I'm in post, but it's quite hard to see on the camera. Cool, so I'm going to do some front on shots. Oh, it's wonky as hell. Okay, I got another idea. Oh my god. Well, at least you get to hear that again. Oh. Okay, so that looks better already. I think I might move the cars to the details of the splitter because the tree reflections are a bit mad. Might go around to the next spot. Right, let's go for a drive. I wish, that'd be mega. So when I shot his GT3 RS here, I drove out this way and I bet he sort of semi-shat himself because I'm basically driving towards the gate right now. Wow, that looks... Right, this grass is really wet, so I think I'm going to shoot the interior just so the interior is done. It's top tip really, you kind of want to shoot the interior first so you don't get shit everywhere like I have done here already. Okay, interior's done. So I'll do the front left and the rear shots. Pretty much going to be it. How many shots have I done today? 203 so far, yeah, so we're looking good. Oh, it just looks mega there. Unbelievable spec, like just looks. Most GT8s have kind of a bit of a, when people, it's like with the STO, people see two-tone and think, oh, I'm going to spec it in the most random colours ever. But this guy's just done it perfectly. Like the two-tone, the second colour is carbon fibre. It's just all silver other than that, and in black wheels, and it's just, oh, it's just perfect. Now I've got to reverse this all the way up to the top. Wish me luck. It's just started absolutely hammering it down, and it's cool because I finished the shoot. Not that you would know that because the GoPro died and you didn't really see the end or hear me do my outro on the GoPro, but I'm doing it now because the GoPro's died and I've run out of batteries. It eats batteries really fast, it's really annoying. I want to do more like that where I just bring a GoPro on, just film the video, no bullshit talking in front of a camera for 5 minutes, just literally watching me shoot, putting the pictures on the screen, seeing what settings I use, and just sort of seeing sort of how I shoot a car or whatever for sale, really. Yeah, I want to do more. Hopefully be posting more. I've got other ideas of videos coming as well, so like and subscribe because I'll obviously have other stuff coming. But yeah, if you think I should do more, or you like what I did, or or you think it's crap, or you hate me, then always feel free to let me know. I'm down for all sorts of criticism and comments. But yeah, I will catch you guys in the next one. Cheers.